I opened a Mosasaurus toy and I got this out and I put the tail on. So I'm gonna put this. Okay. I believe this goes here. Okay, I'm done. So this is my Mosasaurus. You can open its mouth. And one good thing about it is I love the tail to move. So I'm gonna compare it with this. I'm gonna see if it fits.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah, it fits. Okay. We can stand. So, I love how it's like dark blue and it has white dots on it. That's cool. Oh, and you can also move the fins.